Good morning, folks. Jonny Bonzo here. I'm going to be fishing this morning before work right outside of my house using the rattle trap. And then I'm going to go to work, come back tonight, and do some night fishing, something I haven't done in a long time. Heard they've been hitting pretty good out here. We're going to see what's going on. There he is. It's another tank. Folks, the best 48 hours of fishing of my life. Look at this beast. So my guess it's the cold weather that's bringing these fish in, because they're just attacking. Beautiful little bass right here. Folks, I saw some splashing over there. I don't know if you saw. I threw a cast immediately. They're gorging. Look at the belly on this beautiful fish. Hey folks, I gotta go home, get ready for work, and then when I get home tonight, I'm gonna go do some night fishing. Stay tuned, it should be epic. Hey folks, Jonny Bonzo. I'm still in my work uniform, just stepped outside. Folks, you're not gonna believe this little meatball. I mean, oh. Look at how fat she is. Oh my God. I don't have my scale or nothing. I didn't even have my tripod. Oh my God. Guaranteed she's another $5. Let's let her go. God, she's so beautiful. Mwah. Just caught a bomb over at my house. Unfortunately, I didn't have the catch on film, but I did have the fish. But I had to come over here to Wendy's hole, throw it in this corner. I know my personal best is here. I'm gonna get it. Folks, what a couple days. The bass are biting. Get out there. Look at this. It's one after another and they're all big. Rattle trap, I love you. Yes.
fatty. Look at that.
Jesus.
Honk on that thing.
What worm?
Yeah. Slow drag.
You said it.
Oh
Slow drag a worm.
Look at that. What a beautiful fish, man. Wow. What a beautiful fish.
I got a toad. Oh my God, folks, this is a fantastic fish. Holy sh! Folks, I hope you saw that. I'm catching some serious bombs today. I hope you can see that in the light. Holy oh, what a fish. Oh man, what a great night. Rattle trap is seriously on fire. I hope you can see her. Guys, such a beautiful fish. I really think I'm going to be fishing rattle traps at night. This is fun and extremely productive. Woo! You know, folks, I hadn't caught a fish in like 10 days. Today has been the best day of fishing of my life. I absolutely smashed them this morning. Went to work, came home, and catching them. Really nice, big fish hitting the rattle trap tonight. I'm having the time of my life. All right, folks, boy, oh boy, the fish we're feeding tonight. What a blast. Never knew night fishing could be so much fun. I will be doing more of this. Folks, the big fish are biting. Get out there and fish. Caught some really good ones. Missed some good ones too, so get out there. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. Like it really helps me out in the algorithm. Jonny Bonzo, baby.